All right, guys, here we go. Here we go. We are. Let me see. Let me do this. Hey, 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 Becca, how are you? Let's get it going. Oh, you did? Okay. Did you get any Apex? I'm just gonna trade evaluations right now with the FOMC. We got 7 minutes. Let's put on some orders out there just to see how things. Here we go. Let's go. I'm gonna take it one account at a time first initially, then go from there. Trading with evaluation accounts during APAC during FOMC is going to be an aggressive game. So just be ready. Now the market is in sync on the short side. You know that you could pass them and keep them in the back and just not pay the fee till you get to where you need them. So whenever you get 90, pack them on and just keep some of these accounts in the back end. Otherwise, because you're not going to get 90 for a while after this deal is done. I bought like four 150s and a couple of 50s. I'm gonna add more. Yeah. I mean, once you pass them, even if you pay the full boat for the next month, I mean, obviously don't get 20 of them that you pass. Just get where you have maybe 5 in the back that's passed. So now you may be paying a little bit extra, but now you're ready to just use them when you need them. It's an idea. All right, so what we got going on here, we have about 4 minutes. The market is in sync on the short side. We're trading evaluation accounts, APACs right now. And we are looking for a market to go to target. Target is 580. I mean, if we get a run up, it's gonna really all depends on how they structure the open. I'm gonna only go when the market is in sync on the short side. Right now we have resistance between Harmony zone number 1 and 2, and zone number 1 is 30 by 40. So 630 by 640 is going to be resistance to price action. If that holds, we should get to a target of 580. I'm gonna, like I said, I mean, this is going to be one of those aggressive games. I'm going to have wide stops and wide targets. And my objective is to pass some of these accounts today. All right, we got 1 minute. 1 minute. Just remember that a few seconds before the announcement, like 1 second before the actual announcement, just mark that price. That price is going to be significant throughout the day. Ten seconds. Let's go. Let's go. And boom. What are they doing? What are they doing? Okay, so now the price is, we're at 30 right now. Yep. Here we go. First couple of moves are always tricky. So they're testing Harmony zone number 2, which is resistance. Running into Globex here. Okay, that shifted. Man. Long. Pullbacks are viable on a swing trade basis. Harmony zone number 1 and 2 are support. And they're moving to target number 730 right now. We're gonna give them the first 2 moves, and let's see what they want to do here. Let's see how madness. Okay, so the market is out of sync. So we're nothing for us to do. They're testing Globex. Globex is 680. I'm looking for a buy opportunity, but if we get to zone number 1, I mean, I can literally just post an order right here and see how that is gonna hold up. 51. Let me see, like 51. Yeah, that's a good spot. Captain setup. If they fail it, $51, $41, $31. Actually, I need to be a little bit lower. I'm gonna do it at 46.75. Damn it. They tested it very quickly, not as deep as I wanted it to. How are you liking it, Becca? Okay, so that's an entry. I like to hold on to it a little bit longer to maybe target number 3. Target number 3 is coming up. I'm taking that one. And I will look for another pullback and see if I can get in. So it's profitable. Oh, up 1,500. What did you do? You go short? All right, pullbacks are buyable. We have a target of Globex, and there's another target at 730. Oh, really? Yeah, you're not getting. So it better work. It better work. All right, the market is fun. You know, they put a captain set up short right here. Yep, gotta go with the cloud. Market is in, well, it's out of sync here. They're trying to hold it. All right. So I took 5 contract into Globex. That was a railroad long into the direction of the move. And we made a grand off of that one. Need 8 more of those. Damn, that would have been it. It was a good one. Target, next target is 730. Man, they're going to get there in like 2 seconds. Target is hit. Next target is 755. Pullbacks are buyable on a swing trade basis. Damn, look at how fast this thing is. Target 755. Oh, come on. I don't know if I want it now. Okay, I'm canceling. We got targets. Target is 755. I may want to go in with a couple of contracts and add to it in a range. So this way we'll ease the actual entry. But the market is trying to hold up here. Okay. Struggling. I'm going to take a stop and try again somewhere else. Let it pull back a little bit because they're struggling here. There's double captain set up short on the 30 NT Rinko, by the way. Take a look, Becca. Yeah, it is kind of messy here. That's okay. Well, I mean, actually kind of worked out at the end. All right, we'll try it again. Let's see. Let's see. I mean, take me to 750. Ooh, they're gonna be nasty about it. I'm taking 2 off and see if I can hold on to something bigger here. And let's see if I can get to 750. Yeah, that's not what I want to see. Okay. I will wait. I mean, that we made a little bit. So that's what I'm going to do. 2 contracts in and I'll add to it. And if it keeps going, then I'll keep playing. Yeah, see, that's captain setup switch trade. I bought in here, bought in, sold. We made a small amount. We don't want to see, if we're long, we don't want to see 704. 704 would put a captain setup short on the 70 NT Rinko, which they just did. So I'm looking for a rally now and see if I can get into a short, even though the market is in sync on the long side, but that is just a very strong signal. I'm going to start getting short, I mean, anywhere here. 1 and 2, and I'll see how I'm doing, and then I'll add to it if I need to. There's a 50 NT Rinko captain setup short, 70 NT Rinko captain short. I'm going to take 1 here and see if I can add to it. We want to see 80. I mean, I'll take it at 80 because that's a test of harmony zone number 2, which is support. I'll take it here and I made a little bit and let it run back up, and I'll get short again. That's what it's gonna do. They're gonna go back up. Not by much. Okay. I'll take a shot at it. That's a whole number though, so it may get a little bit noisy, but I think I should be good for a 10 point or more. Let's see if they flush it here below 90. It's going to be an 83. Yeah, get to 83. Here we go. The stops under the 90. Yeah, they're gonna play around with it. I'll take a small scalp and try again. Yeah, they're supporting this level. Okay, so the market is out of sync, and you have distribution level between 710 to 740. So you got Globex that's supporting price action. Let's take a look here. We're looking at the opening range, and the market is tossing around the opening range. And if we get rejected at 720 with a close under 91, then we're expecting a push toward the 60s. Excuse me. Really not a lot of volatility considering, like it's just like almost like a nothing burger with this FOMC. Yeah, I mean, there's no surprises, nothing. Market is in sync on the long side, but we're at the distribution area right here. Yeah. But even if there's no surprise, typically people sell the news. I'm going to give it a shot here. Yeah. I'm going to cancel and just put one contract. And see if we can get back to 700. This is a distribution area. And 13 is a target. Here it comes. And out. Oh, come on. Here we go. Nice, 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 nice. All right, let's keep working. It's probably going to be a big move here. The market is still in sync on the shorts, on the long side, but I mean, we just hit a distribution area. So what's the purpose here is you're looking at a captain setup on the 50 and the market just came in here and fizzled. So that tells me that I need to go short. Yeah, it's not too crazy. I just need to size up here and just get some of these things past. This has moved nicely. Captain set up short on the 100. Now that is a big idea right here. And I need to start, and I'm going to get aggressive. So here we go. It's going to be multiple contracts, and I'm going to have to take risk. Yeah, let's go, baby. You know, don't fuck with me. Here we go. Let's go. You want to mess around? We'll mess around. If you want to take my money, you're going to take my money. That's the way it's going to work right now. Three contracts. Can we go lower? I'm gonna pause on adding. We'll just see how this one works. Okay, I'm adding. I don't like it. We need a captain setup. Here we go. That's it. All right, here we go. Now we're 5 contracts in. Oh, that's nasty. One more time. I'm getting in some more. I don't like it, man. I'm out. If it comes, what is this? It has to break. I got back in. One more time. My stop is literally like right here. That's 10 contracts. Push, baby, push. Come on, come on, come on. Fuck. Okay, we took 5 out. It's very noisy, man. Very noisy. But I got 5 left. Here we go. Break, break, break. Break, for God's sake, break. Break. Break, baby, break. I'm gonna take it on Globex. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I had to take a stop initially and then just, that was a good one. Let's keep working. Yeah, I'm taking 5 contracts at a time. I'm not gonna take too many. Gives me a little bit of flexibility. All right, let's just keep working. So now we're at a support, but you got a distribution level like nobody's business here. This is Captain Setup short. So that can lead us to a target of 655. So I'm watching for that. I'm gonna go back to 2 contracts and just keep working. Yeah, around Globex, yeah, I don't like it. Yeah, see that's just huge, man. We need to be part of this game. So the 655 is coming in hot and heavy. We hit that level, then rallies are shortable. I mean, that it was all about that Captain setup, right? That big one on the 100 NT wrinkle. I mean, that was the telltale of what to come. We almost hit it. I'm just gonna take a shot, and I'm expecting a bit of a bounce, but just gonna take it easy with 2 contracts and see what we can do. That's 3. Took 1 off. Let's see. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go, baby. Take 1 off, and let's see if we can let another one run. The running is to target number 3. It's not gonna play that game. Okay, that's fine. I copied it into the next account, so now we got 2 accounts running. And let's see if we can run up into another trade. Next target is 630. Let's look at the big picture. Big picture is we are trading in the opening range and we're at the bottom end of it. So if they bounce it, most likely they're gonna try to bounce it here a little bit, but I'm looking for rallies to short into this market till proven otherwise. Yeah, they could really shove it all the way down to 605, and then you have a bunch of stops under the, what, 605 under the 600 obviously, and that will take you all the way down to the lows and break 500. So there's a lot of potential with this captain setup for that type of behavior. But here we're at the bottom end of the Globex band, so you're getting that counter, and then I have to kind of tight, loosen, not loosen up, but go one contract only here. Yeah, that's fine. Just one contract. Let them. They're gonna bounce it around. I'm gonna let them play with it. Here you go. Second contract. Okay. Need to take it easy here. Not add too much. That's a 5. Uh-oh, that's gonna hurt. Uh-oh. They may get me. That's rough. That's too many contracts right there. I had to get out of that trade, man. I just in too many contracts. And things were speeding up. I'm glad that it worked out, but boy, I was stressing. Ooh, doctor. Take a break on that one. All right, let's play the game again. That's one contract. I'm going to keep it under 5 till we start breaking under that 50s. Okay, that's 2 contracts. Nope. We just need that Harmony Zone number 2 to hold. A 705 break can be an issue for me. Yeah. That's fucking a grand already, man. It comes very quickly. That's a problem right here. Like, that's just only 2 contracts. Fuck. The stop is the stop. They come and take it. They come and take it. They are going to come and take it. Damn it. All right. Well, that's that. We're at resistance here. So that's the top end of the Globex band. I'm just going to keep it one contract. They're just running the market. Okay. I'm going to have to take it easy here. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm fighting the tape. Can we go lower? I mean, it was giving me 400. I took one off here. Let's see if I can get another one lower. Nope. Man, that was quick. All right, so the order flow is long. We'll just go with it. Okay. Okay, I got one long. Let's see. Get the hell out of here. Fuck. She's fast, man. Look at this. That's fast. That is fast. I need to push, 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 push. 31. They're gonna get me. Or maybe not. Sell, 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 sell. Here we go. Let it run. Let it run. Let it run. And I have one for break even and let them do whatever they want to do here. I could go all the way to 77 with that trade and add to it along the way. I'll add to it too. Here we go. And I'm going break even plus. Let it run to, I can get 50 out of it very quickly and sell at 50 or go break even. I mean, I might break even at this point, so. Yeah, damn it. All right. Let's go. Let's go. I'm adding to it. Give me a switch trade. I'll add some more. I took two off. I mean, one off. And let's go. Run, baby, run. And that's taking another one off and just go from I can go all the way up here. Yeah, it's not gonna do it. Okay, that's fine. Hey, we're back in business. We had to claw ourselves back, but we got back in business. Damn. Oh Lord, you can't trade this thing. All right, let him run it up to Harmony Zone number 2, and let's see if we can get into. I mean, they flushed everybody. Look at Harmony Zone number 2 working. Market is in sync on the short side. Oh Jesus, look at that. Here we go. That's a flush. Let them run it back up. We'll go short. Are you surviving this, Becca? Playing this game or just watching it? It's kind of crazy, right? All right. You bought market instantly negative $5,000. Yeah. It's funny, but not funny. I'm playing with one contract. So let's play this game. Let's go. I know what you want to do. Let's go, baby. Let's go. It's one contract. Okay, yeah. Here we go. I'll do 2 if I can. Good. Boom, out. It's $400. Let it go. Let him run it back up, and I'll get again short. Market is in sync on the short side with a target of 605. I need to start playing with 2 contracts at a time. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I get it. I mean, this is you're playing evals here. So now they're running the stops. They're running it into the mid of the opening range. So you between 60 and 83. Look at that. Let them do that. That's fine. Sell. Boom. Okay, took one off. Here we go. I gotta get out. We made a little bit, but needed to get out of that trade. All right, we're hitting glowbacks and fading. The market is out of sync again. Let's look for a re-entry short. Market is in sync on the short side. The market is going to start speeding up. That's fine. That's no good. I got to get out of this trade. I'll try it again. It needed to happen very quickly. Can't be sitting here jacking around. They go to glowbacks and they stop. I'll play the game. Okay, we're at harmony zone number 2, which is resistance, and it's just fast. They're not playing around today. You don't want to get caught into any of this mess. All right, market is back in sync on the long side. We're passing the opening range. You got to be quick in this market. You can't hesitate. You got to take your stops very quickly. And you got to give yourself enough room for the market to work in your favor. This is not for the faint of heart, right? All right. So they're going to test glowbacks. Let them test glowbacks. Target is 730. I mean, where would I buy in here? Jesus. Look at this. Boom, boom. Go to glowbacks. Go to glowbacks. I mean, flush people, go to glowbacks, scare people off. Market is still in sync on the long side. Let them run under that 90. They're trying to run the stops under 90. That's what they're trying to do. You don't want to see 96s. 96s will put a captain setup short on the 70. And then you're going to get a burst of energy that could take you down to that, yeah, here you go. So that kind of pauses me from trying to get long. The market is out of sync. I mean, unless you get to glowbacks, then we could play that game. I'm going to take that, and then I have a stop at 30. Like right here, it needs to start working. I don't like it. Okay, it needs to start working right now. Okay, yeah, you just keep going. If you go, I'll add to you. If we go back to under 700, adding. Damn, that's fast. I'm gonna take one off just to help with the trade. I need a flush under that 90. Jesus Christ. I don't like it. I gotta get out. It's gonna cost me. Yeah, I mean, that is just, what is that? 6 pound captain set up short on the 70, and they blow that trade away. That's fine. Gotta take my stop. I mean, if they bring it back down to to the 15, I'll give it another shot. The market is back in sync on the long side, though. All right, target 755. Let's see the pullback. We're at target number 4 this sequence. Target 780. That's a runner. target number 5. We got target number 6 up here, which is really makes it very extended, but I'm not going to argue with the market. Maybe I'll argue with it a little bit right here. That's a little bit of an argument. But against the whole number and against target number 6, I'll take it. I'll take it. I mean, you know, first touches into these big targets in an emotional market, you give it a shot. And I copied it across 3 accounts in that one. Oh, is he talking right now? Yeah. He's very bullish. Then sell that thing, because that's what's going to happen if he's very bullish. Ooh. Here we go. We need to break under 800. I'm going to get out of this trade and wait. Yeah, that's going to be a good spot here for a fade, really. Market is in sync on the long side, but I mean, it's just target number 6, and they're extended. And they're emotional. I'll take another shot at it, and my stop is right here. No bueno. It's an order flow issue. Okay, that's fine. I know it's okay. I got short a couple of times up here to target number 6. I mean, whenever you get to target number 6, you're going to get a fade. It's just the market's too strong. Because if they stick the short up here, I can really add to it on the way down. I'm just going to ease off. All right, we made a little bit off that short. And I added to it. All right, let's see what we can do here. Market's about to go out of sync. I'm gonna flush it here. I wasn't off by much, really. I mean, I got stopped out here and got short back in here. Market is out of sync. We're going to probably test harmony zone number 2 here between 80 and 70 and see if they hold on to it. If they do, then I'll go long between 70 and 60. Well, I mean 70 and 60 actually, that's too low, but we got less than 1 hour left. Can we run to equity high? We should be able to. I tend to fade markets that look like this, and I need to be very careful. Market is out of sync. So a trend continuation trade will be just railroads going higher, which is these pullbacks. So that, if the market is, I mean, the market is trending right now, right? So we're gonna have to kind of keep an eye on that signal. I can go to 13 and post an order. Yeah, they're gonna fade it here a little bit. Let's see if that fade can get us to 13 and we can get a bounce from 13 to 33. Okay. Can we get to 33? Come on, baby. Let's go. I gotta take it. I gotta take it. That was a good one. Yeah, you got 33 and more with a little bit of patience. We have a target of 855. 855. A little bit of distribution pattern here between that 30 and the 40. Are you doing anything, Becca, or are you just sitting put here? Okay. All right, we're about to hit that target. Okay, so guess what I'm doing? We should be pushing below 50. I'm out. Made a little bit. All right. Let's think about this thing for a second. The market is continuing to make higher lows. I mean, whenever you get into these extended zones, it's worth a shot for a fade. The better fade is just to wait for the market to pull back and buy into it, into the direction of the trend. That would be making sense, right? That's not what we're doing. Speed, range, and behavior. Speed, fast, obviously. Range is expanding. Behavior is long. Pullbacks are buyable. We have a target of 880 and the market is overextended. That doesn't mean it's not going to go higher. We have 42 minutes left. I mean, there is a distribution level here at 30. Okay, so 33. So they took out the stops and they bottomed back up. That's positive. It's the captain set up short on the 50. How you doing on your accounts, Becca? I mean, pullbacks are buyable on a swing trade basis. I'm flattening this trade. The entry is 66, not here. So let's see. Order flow is long. Pullbacks are buyable. Are you just doing railroads? What's your stop anyway? $30 tick stop and $30 tick target. That's really tight. In this market. Versus reckless and crazy like me. Maybe. All right, so what they're doing here, they're fading the market. That's what they're doing. They are fading the market. I'm going to look for an entry long. We're getting a pullback. I'll take it here and see what we can do. We should be going up above 40. And let it run. Well, it didn't run. That's fine. That's the test of harmony zone number 1. Ooh, Captain set up short on the 70 NT Rinko. Take a look at that one. So the market is putting on a sell signal up here. Let's see how they rally this thing back up, and maybe we'll take a shot at it short. Market is out of sync. That's nasty. Yeah, this one may hurt. Push, push, push. I need this candle to go lower. I'm gonna take a stop. Damn, look at that. I just took a stop. I had to take a stop. The captain setup is still intact. I mean, you break 29, I'm gonna have to get super aggressive. Look at this thing. It's gonna go there too. 29, you break 29, I'm gonna have to get aggressive short. I don't want to be ahead of it. Let it get to 28. Yeah. I gotta have to get aggressive with this one. 828. For break 28. I'm gonna post orders. Here we go. Let's go. Here we go. Give me anything. Okay, that's fine. I'll take some higher. I added to it. Let's go. I mean, we break 30. I gotta add to it some more. The key is 30. You break 30, we're good. I don't like this choppy business, but it is what it is. Gonna take one contract off, just gonna loosen it up a little bit. I need to see that 30 break. And good for them. Taking one off. I'll give the second one a little bit of a chance. Then I have to get out. I mean, they put a captain setup switch trade on the 70, so it's worth a shot for a run to 800 and then lower. They just keep running stops here. I mean, I cannot add to it or anything like that till it breaks 28 again. Or I need to take a stop. All right, taking stops here. You got to get to 28 for this trade to be valid again. $28 is the key. I'm gonna flatten that one. I'll wait for it to come to 28, and if it does, then I'll play. I mean, they're just running stops here. That's all they're doing. So like right here, what they've done is put a captain setup switch trade, and now they're hitting that level and coming back in. So if they break that 28, then that's just a cluster. If you get any run up to 20, you're gonna get a massive move down. The stop to this rotation is like 70 and a half. Market is strong. All right, we got 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Sorry, I thought I was talking through all of this. 28 is what I'm looking for. Here we go. Get to that 28. And I'm adding to it. I gotta go break even on this thing. And I want to see us getting to the 05. I mean, we should be breaking to the 10s at least. And I need to be like adding to this thing. Here comes. I'll take a profit and then I'll get back in here in a second. That extra rotation that they did it back up is what tripped me off, because otherwise a captain switch should have sold off a lot quicker. But anyway, I mean, I took the stops, I added, kept adding. Not a bad profit here, but I need another re-entry. We got 7 minutes. 7 minutes. I mean, that's another short right here with a very tight stop. Yeah, that's. I'm gonna keep it very super tight here. It needs to give me a flush very quickly, or I'll take a very small stop. Yeah, go down. Nope, that looks like more for a stop. Yep, stop me out. Okay, that's fine. I can take it. Mark is out of sync. I'm looking for rallies to fade against 63s to 73s. Good for them. Came back in, retested, pushing, and we are 3 minutes to the top of the hour. So I mean, here, that's what kind of captain set up, switch trade, rolled it one more time, and then the sellers came back in. I mean, that's just a right here. Look at that. You go short in that rotation all day long. And it really did not. Yes, I'm only trading evals right now. I'm not trading any PAs. And, you know, on FOMC, I'm not going to risk it, really. I mean, one of the accounts is doing very well. I was up $1,800 on this one, and now, you know, down a little bit. So that's a $2,000 swing. That's okay. I think that's it's gonna be it for me. I'm not gonna like. What am I gonna do here? I'm gonna just go short. I mean, it's working. You're testing Harmony zone number 2. I think I'm gonna call it. Call it a day. We have 1 minute, less than 30 seconds. Not too bad, not too bad on an FOMC. We got aggressive. We were up higher, came back in a little bit, but up on nicely on one account, down very small on those are $350,000 accounts. Now watch it like tank big time, right? All right, 3 o'clock, and I'm out. And we will see you bright and early tomorrow. Remember, 90% on Apex with OHarmony code. I think that's the best deal of the year. So take advantage of it. And we will see you tomorrow. Have a good one.